Namaste student, खुश रहो बिटिया. I champion Dr. Neelam Chakravarti from Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss topic the ethical issue, and so let's start the topic ethical issue. Now, what do you mean by ethical issue, and what are the ethical issue, and the definition of the ethical issue? An ethical issue in business is a situation on where a moral conflict and arise and must be addressed, and in other words, and it is the an occasions and where a moral standard is questioned. And what does ethical issue means? Now, ethical issue and occur when a given and decisions ancient scenario or activity and creates a conflict and with our societies moral principles, and both individuals and business can be involved in these conflicts, and since any of their activities and might be put to questions from an ethical standpoint, the individuals are subjects to these issues in their relationship with other individuals or in their relationship and with organizations, and same goes for organizations. These conflicts are sometimes and legally dangerous, since some of the alternative to solve the issue and might branch a particular law. In other occasions, the issue and might not have legal consequences, but it might generate a negative reactions from third parties. Ethical issues are challenging and because they are difficult to deal and with if no guidelines or procedures are known, and for these reasons many professional and industry associations have ethical codes that are discussed and approved by key and participants to provide a useful and framework for companies and individuals to make accurate decisions, and whenever they face one of these conflicts. Now, let's discuss the ethos of Vedanta in management. The Indian ethos and management believes in supreme soil and supreme truth. If you do well and you get good, and if you are good and the whole world the whole world is good, and Indian thought management and tap on positionals and values our cultures to be perfect and to live in the present and develop selves. In the core, ensure of Indian and ethos and management and values and morality and with educations in a sweet harmony. And see, and what happens? The educational system has to be set anew, and so that student can fulfill the task of brightening the motherland and Bharat education should touch. Okay, and self-confidence. The education without purifications is like a kid on those doing in the education without the refreshment of characters in like the rudder and less and the boat, no one and who knows and where it will take us, and what is educations. He indeed is the wise one and who focus his attentions on the important acceptance of learning and obtain the right and insight into the true nature of education. Education is that which throws and wide open the doors of the mind. The men of learning and should experience within themselves the sublime beauty and of educations, and then they should impart into others, and to see the universal and all preventing to truth and the face to face, one must be able to the love and the meanest of all creations as oneself, says and Gandhiji, and this is the only supreme truth. Now let us discuss business ethics is important for the following reasons. Business organizations are economic and social institutions that serve customers' needs by supplying and them right goods at the right place, time and price. This is possible, and if the institutions and engage in ethical practice. Now, business ethics help in long run and several of the firm. An unethical practice like paying low wage to workers, providing poor working and conditions, lack of health and safety measures for employees, and selling suggest for the tax invasions and etc., and can increase short run and profit, but in long run and several, and it is the important and therefore for firms to suffer and short term and losses, but fulfill and either ethical, social and obligations to secure and their long term future. Business houses and operate in the social environment and use resources provided by the society, and they are therefore and morally and socially and committed to look after the interest of society by adopting ethical business and practice. Now, ethical business activities and improve company's image and give it engage over competition and promotes sales and profits. Now, legal framework of a country and also enforce and practice under the Consumer and Protection Act. For example, consumers can complain and against unethical and business practice. Now, labor laws protect the interest of workers and agents and ethical practice and the legal framework of the country. Therefore, promotes an ethical business behavior. So, business houses and want to avoid government investigations and therefore follow ethical practice. Thank you. This sessions powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.